Sicilian Negroni. It's basically a Negroni, but instead of red vermouth, in place of that, I'm using Marsala wine, which is going to work out great, I think, because Marsala wine is a fortified wine, just like vermouth is a fortified wine. And it's going to pair nicely with sandwiches that Rachel is making because it has Marsala in it. Anyway, we're going to do, and I'm also going to make this a little bit of a spritz. I'm going to add some club soda on top just to lighten it up.
Nice. I like it when you do that.
And you like it. So I'm
I
using.
like bubbles.
You do like bubbles. I'm using similar proportions.
Oh, sorry, honey.
Wow.
That was me slamming the garbage can.
You know, how can I work under these conditions? I'm using similar proportions as I would with an actual normal Negroni. I'm using 1.5 ounces of gin, 1.5 ounces of Campari, which you can't make a Negroni without Campari. It's a very bitter, beautiful, red-colored Italian aperitif.
Aperitif?
It kind of tastes like the most bitterest
It's delicious.
grapefruit you've ever had, but in a good way, And then, instead of using red vermouth, which I would normally do right here, 3/4 ounce, I'm using Marsala wine.
Wow. That's going to be delicious.
Well, that's the plan anyway. Then I'm going to add, normally I would add maybe some Angostura type bitters, but I'm going to use orange bitters here.
I'm going to put the Marsala in the fridge. After you open fortified wines, Marsala, white vermouth, red vermouth, you should store them in the fridge, right, hon?
Yeah, it's just like you would store if you opened a bottle of white wine and you were using it over the course of a few days. You want to keep that in the fridge. Marsala and vermouths, they're fortified,
right?
so that means
they'll last a long time.
they add a little bit of alcohol to them basically as a preservative. It also gives them some flavor.
But their flavor stays truest if you refrigerate.
Yeah, if you don't put the fortified wines in the fridge, they can get a little musty.
Musty's the right word. Yeah.
Anyway, so I just put that in a Collins glass with some ice, stirred it a little bit. Now I'm topping.
And the bubbles!
Topping with the bubbles.
This is way more interesting than the Pellegrino water I had.
And we have some beautiful blood oranges here that Rachel sliced for me because I'm really bad with the whole slicing of the orange thing.
Oh, yeah. It looks like abstract art. I don't understand why you can't slice oranges.
So we're going to add that there as a little garnish.
Fancy straws.
A little fancy straw, and that is that.
Can I try?
You can.
Can we do a cheers?
We're doing a cheers.
Big ears.
Cheers into all
guys.
you guys, too.
Oh, whoa.
Wow. That
Happy
works.
Friday, buddy.